When it comes to donuts, Campania pushes its way amongst all Italian regions and can offer them fried, baked, sweet and salted. Today I want to share with you all the secrets to prepare the typical cakes of Father's Day cake. St. Joseph fried zeppole. Let's prepare them together. Let's see the ingredients. Water, flour, salt, butter and eggs, seed oil for frying, and icing sugar, cherries and syrup and custard cream for topping. All prepared following the recipe card on Giallozafferano. Now let's prepare the dough. Water in the pan. Then butter. And a nice pinch of salt. I turn on the stove and let the butter melt completely. The water is boiling. It is time to add the flour all at once. I mix it well with a wooden spoon until I get a ball. Here, the dough comes off the sides, so I can turn off the heat and transfer it into a bowl. Spread it slightly, so it can get warmer more easily. Meanwhile, I can beat the eggs, and then add them to the mixture little by little. A little sun, and then let's stir it well. At the beginning it will be difficult to compact the eggs to the mixture, because the flour and butter are well mixed, but you have to be patient. A little more egg, and keep stirring. This is the typical mixture of choux pastry. Remember to always use weak flour because the gluten would give elasticity to the dough, penalizing the friability we need. Also remember that fried choux pastry needs a quantity of butter about 50% less than the weight of the flour. Otherwise, during frying, the dough will collapse. I keep stirring until the dough becomes smooth and even, then I transfer it to a pastry bag. The oil is already hot, at no more than 165–176, otherwise the zeppole will burn. And about the zeppole, let's go and shape them. I will shape a donut on a sheet of baking paper, and then I trace it again, more or less 6–7 centimeters in diameter. I cut out some squares of baking paper, so it will be easier to dip the zeppole in the boiling oil, and then you'll see that the leaf will come off, down in the oil. See that it comes off? And to avoid making the whole kitchen dirty, I put it in this bowl. Some secrets about frying. First of all, a few pieces at a time, then the oil always at a steady temperature, and I recommend keeping it upside down for a long time. This way it will be not spread out. After 5–6 minutes, the zeppole are ready. Here is the first zeppole ready. I drain it on paper towel and then continue like this with all the others. To complete a St. Joseph donuts, you need custard cream, cherries and syrup, and icing sugar. Someone would dredge them in granulated sugar, others instead would squeeze some chocolate cream on their surface. But the real zeppole of St. Joseph are served this way. Now don't cut it in half because you always end up eating them all. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and then let me know. Happy Father's Day, Dad.